Filman Santiago on Family Channel. Getting ready for lunch. Fortunately, this place where we are now, it is near to the industrial area of Dubai. It's good. The groceries and supermarkets here in this area are now selling and having Filipino products, which is cool. Alright, so see you in the supermarket. I need this ginger. It's very fresh. Look at these spring onions. Awesome. It looks fresh too. We're having it. This is sad, man. The very reason why I came here is because of sayote. And look at their sayote. These are all stacked, but no other choice. And look at the per kg. That's $8.95 per kg. So, I got tomatoes also. Our typical Filipino dish, which is Tinolang Manok, is now coming up. That's one of the good things for OFWs like us nowadays, because if you compare maybe like 10 to 15 years ago, it's difficult for them to find Filipino food. It's difficult for them to cook Filipino dishes because there's not enough ingredients coming from our country. But now, well, I just say we're very fortunate nowadays. 2 weeks ago, I think my wife cooked tinola also, and they've used malunggay leaves because they found some malunggay also in the same supermarket that I went to earlier. I'm putting now the sayote and let it boil for like 3 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Eat properly and because there's a surprise
For both of us?
for all of us.
No, he didn't say anything about maybe the Wi-Fi again.
I hope Kuya likes the food.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Of course I will. I like chicken.
I already took a spoon. I swallowed it.
You swallowed the spoon?
Yeah.
Kulay. You only need
The
to eat
faster
fast.
you eat, the earlier you will know the surprise. So I'm gonna give you the winner. Try. I'm eating fast. I'm eating fast. And when you eat it,
La 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 la, I don't
when you
care.
get it,
Aha!
It's recorded. You don't care. Okay.
Wait, I know.
You already said you don't care. That's the hint for the surprise.
It's cough.
Cough or coughing.
Oh, it's medicine.
oh, it's the Pokemon coughing.
Eat fast. Sige na.
There's a Pokemon
So that the
called
surprise will
coughing.
be revealed. Faster. Sige na.
Okay.
But Tata says cough.
May untag mga besh mga bay. Mga besh mga bay. Nay,
Okay.
they're not surprised. I'm disappointed.
I am surprised.
Oh, that's why it's cough.
So you got the hint now?
Fattening.
I don't.
You can.
Alright, so that's the family's dish for the weekend. Tinolang Manok, which only costs us here. about you guys in your place right now? Like for example, if you're from Saudi Arabia or Kuwait or Bahrain or Oman, is it easy for you to find sayote or malunggay
Maybe
so that you can have tinola?
they're eating.
Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next weekend maybe. Don't forget to hit the like button, please.
Help us reach
1K subs.
Okay, daghang salamat.